am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Today we are going to talk about celiac disease and the impact of this celiac disease on infertility. So celiac disease is a chronic autoimmune disorder that primarily affects the small intestine. It is triggered by the ingestion of gluten, which is a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, etc. When individuals with celiac disease consume gluten, their immune system goes on to give out an inappropriate response, and this damages the lining of the small intestine, specifically the villi, which are tiny finger-like projections that absorb nutrition. This damage can lead to malabsorption or poor absorption of nutrients and a wide variety of systemic symptoms. So let's look at the symptoms first. There are some gastrointestinal symptoms such as diarrhea, bloating, abdominal pain, weight loss, constipation. There are some non-gastrointestinal symptoms also: anemia due to iron deficiency, fatigue, osteoporosis or osteopenia, skin rash, mouth ulcers, joint pain, neuropathy, which is nerve damage. All these are also some symptoms. How do we diagnose it then? First, we'll talk about serological tests. Blood tests to detect specific antibodies such as anti-tissue transglutaminase and anti-endomysial antibodies, EMA test. There are some genetic testings also done, testing for HLA-DQ2 and HLA-DQ8 genes, which are necessary for the development of celiac disease but not sufficient on their own to diagnose it. Then intestinal biopsy can also be performed. Endoscopic examination and biopsy of the small intestine to assess the atrophy inside and other characteristic changes can be performed. So then what is the impact of the celiac disease on infertility? Celiac disease can impact fertility in both men and women, primarily due to malabsorption of essential nutrients and systemic inflammation caused by autoimmune response. So let's look at men and women, how they respond to this disease. In women, it can cause nutritional deficiencies in iron, folate, vitamin B12, vitamin D and other essential nutrients due to malabsorption can affect ovulation and the overall reproductive health. There can be menstrual irregularities because if this is left untreated, many women experience irregular menstrual cycles, amenorrhea or absence of menstruation, and oligomenorrhea, which is called as infrequent menstruation. Then there is the risk of miscarriage and preterm birth. Increased risk of miscarriage, preterm birth and other pregnancy complications have been reported in women with untreated celiac disease. Then autoimmune disorders are also common. Celiac disease is associated with other autoimmune disorders which can complicate reproductive health even further. In men, also similar to women, if celiac disease is left untreated, they may have deficiencies in nutrients that are crucial for spermatogenesis, sperm production, and overall reproductive health. There may be hormonal imbalances which can lead to alterations in testosterone levels and other reproductive hormones. These hormones are responsible for libido and fertility, therefore those are impacted. Sperm quality may be affected. There is evidence suggesting that untreated celiac disease can lead to poor sperm quality, including decreased sperm motility and abnormal sperm morphology. So what's the treatment? Gluten-free diet. A strict adherence to this gluten-free diet is very important. The primary treatment for celiac disease is a lifelong strict gluten-free diet. This involves avoiding all foods containing wheat, barley, rye, etc. Nutritional counseling should be given. Patients should work with a dietitian specialized in celiac disease to ensure that they are meeting their nutritional needs without gluten. Monitoring and follow-up is very important. Regular medical checkups are important so that your disease's progress can be monitored and nutritional deficiencies can be managed. Periodic blood tests are important to check whether antibodies are present which indicate the presence of gluten in the diet. All these are very essential, and fertility treatment involves preconception counseling. Women and men with celiac disease should seek preconception counseling to optimize their health before attempting to conceive. Nutritional supplements, working with fertility specialists on understanding this problem can be beneficial, and you may not have any problem conceiving. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.